What the heck is going on? It's Connor here. We just got ourselves a package, and I'm gonna open them. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Wow, look at that. That's pretty. Oh man. Where's the batteries? I think I'm already dropping pieces. Hold up. That's not it. Ah! Oh, we got charger cord, I guess. Wait. No. That's just an actual audio cable. That's the charger cord. And a carrying bag. Dude. Gonna try them out. Gonna plug them in, and I wonder how soon they have enough charge to actually use them. Dude, it's got buttons on it. Oh, that did something. I already have a red ring of death. Look at this. Absolute garbage. I'm returning these.